Welcome back to Squawk Box. Roomba's vacuum maker, the iRobot, filing for bankruptcy. It's going to do this after going private, being bought by its primary manufacturer. The company has faced competition from lower-priced rivals and stress from U.S. tariffs. That includes a 46% tariff on imports from Vietnam, where iRobot builds its products for the U.S. Amazon, if you might remember this, tried to buy iRobot years ago for more than $1 billion, but that deal faced opposition from regulators. So it's interesting now that that deal was blocked, and here we now have a bankrupt company.
Right. What was the better outcome?
What was a better outcome?
Right. I don't know. But this is the case for many. Happened with U.S. Steel, too.
Yeah.
Right?
Totally.
Company in distress. What is better?
What's better?
Letting it be sold or letting it be in distress?
And what I don't know from a competitive perspective, are there now so many competitors to iRobot that's actually good for consumers, bad for iRobot, and maybe that's...
There are a lot of robot do you have one?
I don't. Do you?
I don't either. I used to have one, but it would get stuck under radiators constantly.
Okay, we've never gone down the iRobot.
Yeah. Good old-fashioned, yeah, it's better.